Okay, welcome back. This is TOMTalks, and today I wanted to do a quick video unboxing the Eahora X5 Plus electric e-bike. Here's the info. It just arrived on my porch, and this is what it looks like. I think the shipping weight is roughly 60 pounds, but I'll show you inside. I'm going to put it together later, but I wanted to show you what's in the box, how they package it, and I'm going to try to get the battery out so that I can charge it. So you can see the bike. It looks like they do a good job. I was pleased to see all this foam packaging on the rack and the frame and the fender, and here's the seat, it appears. But what I'm gonna do, like I say later, is put it together. Here I found the keys are down attached to the frame. There's no manual that I can see, and I'd read that online. You'll see the fat tire here. But on this bike, the battery is hidden inside the frame. So what I think I need to do is pull it out, and then I should be able to get the battery out, plug it in to charge for a bit while I'm gone, and then come back later and I can assemble it tonight. So this is the Eahora X5 unboxing. This is how it comes in the box. Okay, update. I just found this box below the rack here inside, and it sounds like it's gonna be the tools you need to put the bike together, and maybe some of the accessories, or what I mean is the bolts and such. So look for that box below in the back here by the back tire. And let me see if I can get it open with one hand. There we go. In here, okay, great. In here is your pedals and the assembly manual and your flasher, other stuff like that. So that's in that box. And then let's just see. Oh, they even send tools. Terrific. And in here must be something as well. This is the charger. Perfect. So if I'm gonna charge this battery, and I've got the outlet here, this charger is the trick to do it. So again, this is the Eahora X5 Plus. Just arrived today, and I'm unboxing it, and I wanted people to see what it looks like in the box. They do a nice job packaging it, and it arrived via FedEx today. And again, okay, so here's the Eahora X5. You'll see in a nice all together X5 Plus. And what I'm gonna do is, I figured out just pull the back rack out, and then I've got the seat out, and I found the charger in my previous video. And what I think I can do is just, I have this propped up on the box, but this piece is all together, and you'll see there is the battery. There's the lock, and the battery is inside there. So what I'm thinking I'll do is just, I should be able to prop this up and slip the battery out to charge it before I come back later and assemble it. Okay, so what I did is I cut all these little plastic holding the tire, and now this is the front tire I can lift out of here. So that was just attached to the frame with those plastic connectors, and what I'm trying to do is just be able to flip the bike now, and now I should be able to access the battery and take it out and charge it. So that's what I'm trying to do before I assemble it later tonight. Okay, I got the key in here, if you can see from the handlebars, and then when you turn it, you'll hear a little click. At least when I did it before. There. See, that went down right here, and that releases the battery. So now, there's the battery on the Eahora X5 coming right out, so you can charge it. And that's what I'm gonna do next. Okay, this is the Eahora X5 battery. I just plugged it in, and there's instructions, and they say to plug in this pin first to the battery. Then I plugged in this part to the wall, and it'll go red. It starts out, the charging indicator light shows red and then switches to green. So when I first plugged it in, it flashed green, but then went to red. And when it's fully charged, it'll show green. So I'm gonna leave it charge this afternoon, and then tonight when I go to assemble the rest of the bike, it should be ready. So that's the Eahora X5 Plus battery.